Welcome to BMW Welt. Welcome back to another video. Today I am in Munich. Yesterday I came from Zurich to Munich and stayed at this hostel. Today's itinerary is very simple. I'll go to BMW Welt. I just checked out and came from hostel to go to Hauptbahnhof and saw this. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but it started snowing here. So in just 1 or 2 hours it will be snowed everywhere. And because it's snowing, the temperature also dropped. So current temperature is around 2 degrees Celsius. But I guess in 1 or 2 hours it will go in minus. God bless me. BMW Welt is famous for its architectural design and the museum. Let's go inside. My favorite. I love Z series BMW cars, man. And this is the smallest BMW car, BMW Isetta. So behind me is BMW showroom. This is BMW Museum, and this is BMW workshop where assembly of BMW cars is done. But unfortunately today is Sunday and production is closed, so I can't see the assembly plant, but I have seen the museum, and now I am going to the BMW showroom, and it's still snowing, if you can see. this is the BMW showroom where you can buy all the BMW and Mini Cooper cars. Mini Cooper. There is assembly plant behind this. Not only BMW cars, but Mini Cooper and Rolls-Royce are also assembled here. And engine used in Rolls-Royce is of BMW only. It was nice experience watching all the BMW cars, their history, BMW bikes, and all the aircraft engines and all. So I love this. And if you are coming to Munich, then spare some time for this and don't come here on weekends. And this is the assembly plant for BMW cars.